All right. So 570.
We got the same thing too.
All right. And who's over 1,000 calories at Jimmy John's?
She has the lowest.
Okay. Who has the highest at Jimmy John's? Let's say over 800 calories. Over 700 calories. All right, how many?
780.
780. All right, what did you get?
I got Jimmy John's, the #1, and then chips and a drink.
All right, so Jimmy John's #1, chips and a drink. So a lot of us are told or thought, right, that Jimmy John's is a healthier choice, right? Fresh subs, fresh bread, everything like that. But look, our lowest is already not beating Burger King's, right? Everybody understand that?
Yeah.
Right? So advertisement plays a big role in that, okay? We might think that Subway and Jimmy John's and other things like that might be healthier choices, but we've already disproved that just in the numbers alone, right? So, McDonald's. All right, who is under 400 calories at McDonald's? Under 400 at McDonald's.
I'm at 400.
You're at 400. All right, perfect.
All I got was the McGriddle.
The Golden Arches. 400. All right. And what did you get?
The bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle.
Pardon?
The McGriddle.
The McGriddle. All right. Any drinks
No.
with that? No hash brown, no nothing?
No, nothing.
All right. So just one little tiny sandwich, 400 calories, right? Just under a quarter of our daily intake. All right. Who's over 800 calories at McDonald's? All right. How many? 870. And what did you get, Big Dog? All right, so buttermilk sandwich, fries, and a drink. All right, almost half of our daily intake. All right, what do we got left? Taco Bell. Let's get some T-Bell. All right, who's under 400 calories? All right, what do you got?
2 Doritos Locos Tacos.
2 Doritos Locos Tacos. Any drink?
Water.
You got a water. All right, how many calories?
330.
330 calories. All right, who's over 800 calories at McDonald's?
No.
Or Taco Bell, sorry. Taco Bell. Over 700. Over 600. How many?
I got the quesalupa.
You got the quesalupa, cheese on cheese on cheese. All right, how many calories total?
440.
All right, I said over
But then, like,
everything.
my drink,
Yep.
it's like 610.
All right, who can beat 610 at Taco Bell? I know somebody out there can beat 610. Over 610. Really? You guys don't put away tacos like I do.
Wait, is this Taco Bell?
Yep, T-Bell.
You don't even know you didn't write anything.
I know I did.
Alright.
Like, the French fries and creams, like,
Yep. How many of those do you put away?
I eat 2.
There you go. So you're already at like 600 something
Yeah,
calories, right?
plus the
Plus a drink.
Baja Blast.
All right. Plus a yep. Some Mountain Dew, Baja Blast. All right. You get some chorizos in there, whatever, right? All right. So, who's shocked by some of these numbers? None of you are shocked by any?
Actually, to be honest, I have spent like
Yeah.
I'm surprised by the Taco Bell 2 Doritos Locos Tacos only being 330.
Yeah. All right. So we're both surprised at how low some of them are and how high some of them are, right? So now I want you to go back. All right. Change your mind. All right, in just 2 of these 4, your favorite 2. All right, out of these 4, and let's try to make better decisions this time. So go ahead and pick 2 new meals. All right, and figure out the calorie intake on those 2 new meals.
New meals? Oh, come on. I get the same thing every time.
I'll change to a slim one at Jimmy John's.
I'll change to a
You don't worry about that. Help him out. 'Cause he looks like he's struggling with something exactly.
I have 7. Sometimes I used to know
This time, I will only get the Supreme breakfast.
Does everybody need these websites anymore? Or can I get rid of them? You guys should all have them on your computer. So.
Because you can have eggs without getting yelled at. Like sometimes I don't
Better choices, yep.
Oh,
Better choices.
oh, mine got worse.
Ooh, that's not good.
Come on, mine was already like the lowest one. Can I get a worse choice this time?
Sure.
Sweet. Because this is actually what I usually get.
Why do you like hot? Oh, I get it.
Stop.
That wasn't.
That's it.
Okay. Let's go breakfast at Taco Bell again. Let's go. Breakfast quesalupa combo. Oh my gosh.
Okay, what is this?
Stop. Stop.
Big King, bruh. Big Mac.
I need
Yeah, look up Big Mac. For me.
It's like hot here.
Do you have a flu?
No. I
Like,
just need.
for you, 10 minutes ago, you're like, really full, and now you're like really hot.
What's the name?
Oh my.
I have to find something that's lower than 770. Wait,
Those are good, but
oh, it goes by.
and I got makes it chicken fries with the fries in the water.
I'm gonna look at the all-day breakfast menu. All-day breakfast menu is garbage. They don't have the McGriddles. I know. That's like the best. That's the best breakfast.
All right, let's go ahead and wrap that up here. And then go ahead and see what your different calories are. So take your highest minus your lowest for the whole meal. All right. And figure out what the difference is.
Oh my gosh, that hurts, but it looks better, I guess. Does it look better?
Not really. What they do is stop.
All right, let's go ahead and just raise your hand and let's give me some differences. All right? What's up?
I said that Taco Bell was my lowest end.
All right, what was your original meal? How many calories was your original meal?
My original meal was it'd be 340.
Your 340. All right, what's your new meal?
Because it's like
680? So we have like a 300 plus calorie difference between them, right? That's huge. That's huge, huge, huge. That's,
I just need 2 more tacos.
wait,
all right. How about somebody else? What's their difference?
I'll get the swing.
My difference is 660.
Oh man, what was your starting meal? Or where was it from first?
Burger King.
Burger King. All right.
Chili cheese.
All right.
Those 230, and then the double Whopper with cheese.
All right.
For 990. So,
All right. Yeah, huge difference, right? All right. How about a couple more? Couple more.
My Burger King started at, let's see, 570, and now it is 880.
You're supposed to make healthier choices.
Well, then switch it around.
Yeah, yeah.
oh, that's
All right. So that's huge.
Hey, wait, which one are we on?
870, 590. All right, so like 400 calorie difference, right?
Which one are we on?
We're shouting out differences from your first meal to your second at the same place.
I was at 480 and now I'm at 270.
All right, almost cut it in half, right? That's huge. All right, what did you order the first time?
The hot dog.
The hot dog? Alright, what did you order the second time around?
Just the cheeseburger.
Just the cheeseburger, alright? So a little hot dog is more calories than a whole cheeseburger, right? That's crazy. Alright. Does everybody understand why we're doing this?
Because we need to lose our weight.
Alright, yeah, just to find out how many calories you're actually consuming per day. Alright, this was one meal. And a lot of you, I'm sure, are on these higher ends here, right? Alright, so when you go, I mean, fast food's okay, right? Once in a while, but we need to make sure we're making those right choices at those fast food places, correct? Everybody on board with that? Thumbs up if we understand. Alright, good deal. Alright, last thing we're going to talk about right now is BMR, Basil's metabolic rate. Alright, who can tell me if they know what that is? I'll be pretty impressed. Alright, so we talked about BMI, right? What's BMI?
Oh, body mass.
Body mass index, very good, right? It's a comparison to fat, to muscle, and bone structure in your body. Correct? Correct. Alright. Your Basil's metabolic rate is how many calories your body burns if you literally just laid there all day long, right? It also tells you how many calories your body needs to function at 100%. Okay? So those two numbers are the same. So we're going to figure out what your all's BMRs are, okay? So before we start, we need to do a little bit of calculation here, okay? So, because we need our weight in kilograms. Can anybody tell me how to convert pounds into kilograms? Anybody? Anybody? You go ahead and divide by 2.2. So take your average weight, all right, whatever you think you're around, and go ahead and divide it by 2.2. Your weight in pounds divided by 2.2. All right, and go ahead and write that number down because we'll need it.
Oh, whoa, mine's like head on.
Oh, wow. So,
You must not have been.
Divided by what?
2.2. All right, so to find out
Then you went like this.
pounds into kilograms, we divide by 2.2. Okay? If we figured that out, let's move on. All right, take your height in inches. You can't figure that out. Take how many feet you are, multiply it by 12, add the extra inches. So if you're 6'6", take 6 times 12, add 6 inches. All right, you're going to take that number, your height in inches, and you're going to multiply it, all right, right, by 2.54.
Wait, now multiplying our weight.
You're multiplying your height in inches, right? So inches. This is pounds. All right, and this will give you your height in centimeters. So your height in inches, multiply it by 2.54. All right, we'll give your height in centimeters, and this is kilograms.
Oh, whoa.
That is cool. All right, how many of you are this far so far? Everybody caught up?
Yeah.
Good deal. All right, now we're gonna do a couple calculations. All right, and then towards the end we got to split off because it's different male to female. All right, but all stick with me here. So you're gonna take your weight in kilograms. All right, you're gonna multiply it by 10. So 10 times your weight in kilograms, right? Would anyone mind sharing what your number is?
727.2.
72.7 what?
727.2. That's what I got.
727.2?
Yeah. That's just what I got.
Okay. All right, how about for a male? Does a male mind sharing? Sal, what did you get, bud?